How's it going, orthos? Welcome back to another video. My name's Keaton Walker from orthopatients.com, and in this video we're going to be going over how to spy on your competitors' Facebook ads, which is a really cool topic because it's going to really get the creative juices flowing for you as you're thinking about what kinds of ads to run for your own practice. And it's super simple as well. Before we get any farther in the video, I just want to invite you to subscribe to the channel. We release new content multiple times a week to help you grow your orthodontic practice. And also, if you don't mind hitting the like button on this video, it really helps it reach more orthodontists and help them grow their practices as well. So let's come here to Google and just type in Facebook ad library. And the first result, what it's going to pull up is this ad library, so you can read a little bit about the ad library report or what it is, like the rules behind Facebook advertising. But what you can do is then come here and search, for example, Collins Orthodontics, Grant Collins, right? Great guy. We search here. He's actually not running any Facebook ads, so that might surprise you that some of the most successful practices don't run Facebook ads. I'm sure they have run them in the past, but once you get enough momentum on Facebook, things just really start to pick up for you, which is great. Another one that we could search that is always running ads is Premier Orthodontics. This is Dr. Tyler Coles' practice. He's an amazing media buyer that does all of his ads for him, and just look at all of these. World-class braces starting for only $97 a month. Click below to learn more. So you can go through all of this. If you can't see everything, you just click there and it'll drop everything down so that you can read the whole ad there. So we're looking through all of these. And then not only can you see the front end of the ad, so this is what would happen, for example, if you were within about 5 miles of one of their practices, you'd be able to see these ads running. So unfortunately, you can't see exactly how they're positioned, but I can tell you that they have a really robust funnel going on in this practice. At the very top, they're introducing people to the practice. In the middle, they're inviting them to schedule a consultation, and then at the bottom, people who have already interacted with them, they're inviting them and pushing really, really hard for them to come in. So the other thing you can do is click through to their website or the different landing pages that they're using on these ads. So this one is like part of their website that they're sending them to. Then they've got this pop-up. We click here, learn more, and schedule my free consultation. So you can go through and really watch everything that they're doing here. Obviously don't go through and schedule a consultation. That wouldn't be a good idea, but you can click through. It looks like most of these are going to be the same landing page, but this one's different. So they're sending them to, different image. They're split testing a few different things. They have their locations listed here. You can go through and really understand what they're doing. This is an awesome exercise to do. So let's try to look at one more practice that we know would be running ads, probably Fishbine. Yeah. So looks like they don't have nearly as many ads running, but you can read what they're doing here. Again, it looks like all of these are send message ads, which is actually an awesome opportunity for this practice. They're doing a great job, but the send message, unfortunately on our end, we can't send a message from the ads library. We have to be in their local area, and this ad has to be served to us in order for us to click on it. So you can click through here and watch the video, see what they're doing there. Some awesome marketing on this practice's part. So one more thing is, let's say you search like Smith Orthodontics. There's probably like 20 Smith Orthodontics. Whoops. Looks like this one does have an ad running, but let's say you have a competitor or a practice that you really admire that it's not showing up for you. What you could do is come here and look at Smith Orthodontics, you can come here to page transparency, click see more, and then when it says ads from this page is not currently running ads, so you'd go to ad library and it'll be blank. So if they don't pull up on the search function here, which sometimes happens, then you're going to run into, you can come here to Facebook and search for their practice and then go again to that side where it says page transparency, and you'll be totally good. So you can see if they're running ads or not running ads that way. This is an awesome way to get ideas running for your practice. I really would not recommend just copy pasting the ads, because you don't understand what process they've gone through to figure out if that ad actually works or it doesn't. And if you don't understand the why behind the ad, it's unlikely that it's going to work for you as well. And you can't see everything on the back end. You can only see the front end of the ads and maybe some of the landing pages. So other things you can do is go to their website, go to their Facebook page, go to their Instagram, and really get those creative juices flowing for your own practice. It's an awesome opportunity for you. I run an agency that helps orthodontists just like you grow their practices through Facebook advertising. If you have any other questions on how to run profitable Facebook ads, you can check out the other videos on this channel, and they'll totally help you out big time in creating robust and successful Facebook ads for your practice. I also sell a course called the Ortho Accelerator that teaches you everything from A to Z, how to market your practice online, SEO, Google, Facebook, optimizing your social sites. So I'm really excited for you to dive into the world of Facebook advertising. Please feel free to reach out to me, and again, hit that like button on this video if you liked it so that it can be shared with more people. Thanks.